Good day, I am Aaron D. Siramil from IT2B. Today I will demonstrating the correct use and care of rerouting tools as part of performance activity. This is a T-square. It is used to draw horizontal lines and to serve as a guide for triangles. I place the head of the T-square firmly against the left edge of the drawing board. Then slide it up or down to draw straight horizontal lines. To take care of the T-square, and make sure not to drop it and store it to flat to avoid bending. It's a triangle. It is used for drawing vertical and angle lines. I place it against the T-square to ensure accuracy when drawing straight lines. To maintain the triangle in good condition, I avoided scraping it on rough surface and store it in a flat case. This is a compass. It is used to draw circles and arcs. I place the pointed tip on the paper and rotate the pencil arm to create a circle. To carry out the compass, I keep the noodle covered when not in use and store it in its case to prevent damage. Hello everyone, this is my demonstration by using 3 different graphic tools. This triangle, T-square, and compass. Thank you for watching.